I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Plantronics Voyager 5200. First, let's cover a soft reset. This simple step can often fix minor glitches or connectivity hiccups without losing any of your paired device information. To perform a soft reset, just power off your headset completely, wait a few seconds, and then power it back on. This quick restart often resolves many common, small issues, getting you back to clear audio in no time. Next, we'll discuss a hard reset, which is a more thorough solution for persistent problems. A hard reset will clear all previously paired devices from your Voyager 5200's memory. This is particularly helpful if you are having trouble pairing with new devices or experiencing ongoing, unreliable connections. Before you begin, make sure your headset is powered on and ready for the reset sequence. This ensures the process can be completed successfully. To perform the hard reset, locate the call button and the mute button on your Voyager 5200 headset. You will need to press and hold both of these buttons down simultaneously for approximately 6 seconds. Keep holding them until you hear an audible pairing prompt or observe the LED indicator light flashing alternately red and blue. Once you see or hear this, release the buttons. Your headset has now been reset and is in pairing mode. After completing a hard reset, your Plantronics Voyager 5200 will no longer remember any of its previous connections. You will need to repair it with your desired devices, just as you did when it was new. Put your headset into pairing mode, then go to your phone or computer's Bluetooth settings and select the Voyager 5200 from the list. Performing these resets can help keep your headset performing at its best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.